Good evening once again. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, for his steadfast love endure forever. Praise the Lord. So, today I will not be sharing my testimony because sharing testimony, it will take lots of time. But one thing I just want to clarify is that when I received the message tonight that you share some Thanksgiving regarding this 2024, first time when I come back from my dinner and I received that message, I was very concerned about that. What I have to share about regarding what things I have to share. So at that time, I was totally numb and I cannot think anything in my mind. And I was just silent and I did not even reply to the concerned teacher who just sent me message that to share. And I don't know that it will be like series of testimony sharing will be there. So when I think of that in my mind, it's just stuck that God did not bring, if God did not bring this much far from the beginning to the end of 2024, I might not be here. I might be somewhere else. So when I think of that, it's suddenly stuck in my mind that during on 3rd March, the conflict of Manipur, it started. So when I think that my journey from starting to till December end, I received so many blessings that even though my family, they do not do a government employee job, they're just a farmer, and we come from small town village. And I was very considered, and I was thinking that this much far my parents are supporting me. By how it's supporting, because now in Manipur, there is no job where to work and all. It's only depend, I think that, and it's stuck that God is so merciful and his love endure forever to me every day and every year. So I think that it's the occurrence that I have faced on 3rd March. At the time, I just look back. There are like innocents life who have been struggling for their survival and who have even lost their parents and lost their children. But how God is so merciful, still now I'm here safe without any difficulties. But due to some regions, due to some inoccurrence, I just always, I just want to question to God why these things are happening. And it's like a stumbling block to me. But now when I see God, mercy is uncountable. And God, love is forever for me. And lastly, but not the least, as we are going to end this 2024 and as we are going to step into 2025, leaving behind all the joy, trials, and difficulties, let's embrace 2025. Hope, glorious, mercy, and let's strive together for God's works. And let's always remember, lastly but not the least, as I come from Manipur, please do kindly always remember for the peace and harmony of Manipur. Thank you.